Hey, it's Dustin from Parts Doctor. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to replace the tub roller on the inside of your GE dishwasher. It's super simple. I'll show you step by step, so let's jump right in. There are 4 tub rollers that attach to the inside of the dishwasher tub that support the 2 rack slides, helping the upper rack glide smoothly. If the roller is cracked, worn, or doesn't turn, the rack can catch, jam, or derail. Replacing a faulty tub roller restores smooth sliding action. In this video, we will replace a single tub roller, but the process to replace all of them is very similar. Each tub roller is sold separately, so if you need more than one, be sure to order accordingly. If you need a replacement tub roller for your GE dishwasher, you can find it at PartsDoctor.com. We offer fast shipping and only sell genuine OEM parts that you can trust. For this repair, you'll need a T20 Torx screwdriver or bit. To access and replace the tub roller, open the dishwasher door and slide the top rack all the way out. At the end of the slides that support the top rack, you'll see an upturned hook that keeps the rack from sliding off the end. Lift the rack slightly to clear the front rollers, then pull it forward so the rear rollers reach the end of the slides. Lift the rack out and set it aside. Pull the slides all the way forward and locate the rear end cap. This cap keeps the slide on the tub rollers. To remove it, release the locking tab with your finger towards the inside of the tub. Gently pull the slide forward to confirm that the end cap is free, then set it aside for reuse later. Pull the slide from the rollers to expose the location of the 2 tub rollers on the side of the dishwasher. Locate the faulty roller and use the T20 Torx screwdriver to remove the screw. Discard the old roller. If you need a new tub roller, avoid ordering cheap aftermarket parts. OEM genuine parts just perform better and last longer. PartsDoctor.com only sells genuine parts, and you can find the link down below. Use the full model number from your appliance tag to be sure you're getting the correct part. Before installing the new tub roller, now is a great time to inspect the other rack slide and tub rollers. Check to see if the slide is clean, moves smoothly, and the tub rollers are in good working order. To install the new tub roller, insert the threads into the mounting hole of the tub. Tighten the T20 screw until the washer is flat against the tub. The screw should be snug, but do not over-tighten. Reinstall the slide over the 2 tub rollers and check the new roller by moving the slide in and out. The rail should roll smoothly over both rollers. If the slide does not roll smoothly, inspect the other roller and the slide. If your slide is damaged, dented, or heavily corroded, it should be replaced. Once the slide moves easily, place the end cap on the slide with the tab facing the inside of the tub. Slide it on until the locking tab snaps into place. Test to be sure that the end cap is on by pulling the slide towards you. It should stay in place and prevent the slide from coming off the rollers. Return the top rack of the dishwasher. Some models have 2 sets of 3 wheels per side, letting you adjust the rack's height for more space below or clearance above. Choose your desired setting and align the end hook with the rear rollers. Once both sides are aligned, slide the rack back and align the front rollers the same way. Move the rack slowly to test, then close the door. Your dishwasher is now ready to use. Well, that'll do it for another repair. As always, I'm Dustin, Parts Doctor. Until next time, thanks for watching, and we'll see you later.